Hello, good morning. Usually young children, they are very prone to coughing and have phlegms. And what are the alternative safe solution that you can give to your kids? So this morning I heard my 3-year-old started coughing, and he has some phlegm in his chest. So what I choose to give is this Noco. They are made of wholesome plant-based food, and they are certified by AVA Food Safety. And next I will also give a pellet of this orchestra. So it looks like this. And next you will see how I will give my 3-year-old the Noco and orchestra. So over here, what's the function of Noco and orchestra? So we know that our immune system is the best doctor in the world, and a healthy immune system can do the 3 functions, which is the defense, cleansing, and repair. So what Noco and orchestra does is it enhances the cleansing function. It nourishes the macrophage, which is our garbage collector, to eat up the toxin, which is the phlegm in our body. So when we nourish the right nutrient into our body, it will enhance the cleansing function, and that is how my son recovers from coughing and remove the phlegm from the body. So if you want to know more about this, how I use this wholesome superfood to nourish their immune system, you can take a look at my blog or contact me at this number below, or feel free to email me.